Your air conditioner plays a big role in keeping your home comfortable, especially during the warmer months. Regular AC maintenance helps keep your system run efficiently, reliably, and longer. Today, we'll walk through what AC maintenance is, what gets checked, and how you can help keep your system in top shape. AC maintenance is regular servicing of your air conditioner system to ensure it's operating efficiently and safely. It typically includes inspections, cleaning, and minor adjustments designed to prevent unexpected breakdowns and improve overall performance. During an AC maintenance visit, several key components are checked. Air filters are cleaned or replaced to ensure proper airflow and system efficiency. The evaporator and condenser coils are cleaned to help the system cool your home more efficiently. Refrigerant levels are checked to make sure your AC is delivering proper cooling performance. Electrical connections and the thermostat are inspected for safety, accuracy, and reliable operation. And drain lines and drain pans are cleared to prevent clogs that can lead to water leaks or damage. Routine AC maintenance offers several important benefits. It can help lower energy bills by keeping your system running efficiently, reduce the risk of breakdowns during peak summer months, and extend the lifespan of your air conditioner. You'll also enjoy better indoor air quality and more consistent comfort throughout your home. There are a few simple steps homeowners can take to help maintain their AC system. Replace and clean air filters every 1 to 3 months, depending on usage and indoor conditions. Keep the area around your outdoor condenser unit clear of leaves, dirt, and debris, and schedule professional AC maintenance at least once a year, ideally before the summer season begins. Some signs means it's time to call a professional. These include strange noises or odors coming from the system, inconsistent cooling, weak airflow, water leaks around the unit, or sudden increase in energy bills. Addressing these issues early can help prevent more serious and costly repairs. Regular AC maintenance is one of the best ways to stay comfortable, save energy, and avoid unexpected breakdowns. If you have any concerns or questions, a licensed professional can help keep your system running at its best.